Hi, I'm Roger Bell, and I'd like to show you my wood shop 2021. It's a two-car garage converted into a wood shop in 2020 during COVID. I put up the French cleat system for easy hanging of tools. I really like that system. It's my router table underneath the fan. There's a workbench I made. You can see I made a dust collection vacuum cart setup. Another little cart I made. Here's a miter station I made. All the wood that I used was free. Basically, it was shipping crates. It's an old miter saw. I'm due for an upgrade. I know. I was making flags for a while. I still make a few now and then. See all the tools I have. Got a dust collection system set up. Only for one line though at this time. I just moved the hose around. Got a jointer. And a place to put my wood. Extra boards. My table saw is Delta. It's like the center hub of the shop. But this gives you an idea how much space I have. And that concludes the tour. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when the next video shows. That's all. Thanks.